The perfect partner to your new Adventure Kings premium camp oven stove is the genuine Kings vertical offset smoker, and it's guaranteed to take your low and slow meat smoking to a whole new level. Whether you're in the backyard or at your favourite campsite, if you've got your premium Kings camp oven stove fired up, then you're 3/4 of the way to incredible low and slow smoked meats. The Kings vertical offset smoker mounts to the top of the premium camp oven stove, using the stove's belly as the firebox and positioning the smoking box up on top. The chimney then reattaches to the top of the smoking box, and when you add flavoured wood chips to the fire within the firebox, the smoke flows up and fills the smoking box, giving your food that incredible smoked flavour. Inside, you've got this huge cooking chamber that measures 520mm wide by 295mm deep by 245mm high. That gives a huge 27 litres of total cooking capacity. The cooking chamber is accessible through this large hinged door. Included are these 2 stainless steel food trays, along with a drip tray to make cleanup an absolute breeze. There are 2 separate adjustable vents to precisely let you control airflow and heat throughout the cooking chamber. This rotary vent here, as well as a hinged vent built into the chimney. When you close the chimney flue off here and open up this rotary vent, it allows the smoke to travel from the bottom left-hand corner of the box, across your meat and up through the rotary vent. This allows for even heat and smoke distribution and functions as a true offset smoker. As well, you get an inbuilt temperature gauge to let you keep a close eye on what's happening inside without having to open the door and lose heat. Made from tough, heavy-duty steel, the Kings vertical offset smoker locates securely onto the premium camp oven stove with these locating pins that slot into specific locating holes, and comes with an included hook tool to let you open the access door without making direct contact. Built out of heavy-duty 1.5mm folded, pressed and welded steel, it's designed to hold heat extremely well so you can maintain a steady temperature for those extended cooking times. And because the firebox is completely separate to the cooking chamber, you can add more firewood, heat beads or wood chips without opening the cooking chamber and losing heat. Easily transportable so you can take it anywhere with you, or perfect for a lazy afternoon in the backyard. The Kings premium camp oven stove and vertical offset smoker are amazing quality and have all the features low and slow barbecuers need at a price that simply blows the competition away.